With today's strategy, guys, there has never been an easier way to get some money for yourself. I'm going to lay out step by step what you have to do, and if you follow these steps, it's going to be a walk in the park. So hit that subscribe and let's get that money. First of all, you should go over to Amazon.com. And if you are wondering why we are using Amazon, well, because it is the most popular, okay? So, the thing that I wanted to show you are these audiobooks, okay? So, audiobooks are a really, really good thing. You can see that these are selling for a lot of money. In fact, you can get these for free if you get this Audible trial, but of course, this is not for free when you are a user, okay? You can see that hardcover is $16.76 and paperback is $7.48 and audio CD is $20. So these are like pretty expensive if you want to listen to them and not read them. And one more reason why we use Amazon is that of course they have a traffic on its own, so you don't have to search for the traffic online. Just take a look at this 2.5 billion total visits. I mean, that's a hell of a lot of traffic, okay? That's a hell of a lot of traffic for a website. You can see that the majority of those are coming from the United States, and that's what we need, okay? So, what are we gonna do? Well, of course, we're gonna make money, right? But how? We're gonna use ACX. This is Audiobook Creation Exchange. If you Google ACX or just go over to acx.com, you will see that this is the place where you can turn your book into an audiobook, okay? So, if you want to get some audiobooks done, you go to ACX. But if you want to make money, you go to ACX as well, okay? So, when you come to acx.com, you will just scroll down and click on Earn Money with Audiobooks. You can see it writes Earn Money with Audiobooks. You can click on it and then you can start earning money right away, okay? This is a really, really simple thing to do. Just take a look at this, guys. What you will have to do in here is that you will just have to read the books if you wanted to. But if you don't want, I have a special strategy which will help you to get these audiobooks done and you don't have to do a single thing, okay? You don't have to do nothing and you're gonna get that, okay? So, what you want to do is you want to go and be a narrator. So, if you click on narrator, you can see that you can start your audiobook career. But remember, guys, you don't have to read, you don't have to record your own voice. I'm gonna tell you what you can do. I'm gonna show you the tools. So, first of all, of course, you have to create yourself a profile on ACX, and that's gonna be pretty easy. I'm not gonna waste your time on it. You know how to create an account. And the second step is to upload the samples, okay? So just upload the sample and I'm gonna tell you how you can find those samples. Of course, hit that subscribe button when you catch the chance. Thank you. Now, if you want to get some real people involved with this, you can just go over to Fiverr.com and you can just search for voiceovers, okay? And there are a lot of people in English language who are going to offer you that sample recording, okay? So, what you have to do is you have to find certain people that are going to do that for a little bit of money, okay? So, this requires a bit of investment, okay? But I'm going to show you the way as well because not everyone want to invest something, right? Firstly, let me show you with this. So, let's find something in English, okay? So, you can just go back and you can just click on English and then you can choose male or female. But for this example, it doesn't matter. Just take a look at this, for example, $10 only for this, $10, and they're gonna send it to you, okay? So you have a sample for $10, and then you upload those samples here on ACX, and then you can choose how do you want to get paid, okay? So you have two different ways of payment. So you can choose a per finished hour rate, or you can choose to share 50% of royalties. You can also check what all this means, and you can see that pay for production projects must be $250 per finished hour or greater. Okay, so $250 is the minimum. And let's say that you pay to this person, I don't know, maybe like $50 or even maybe $100. You can just contact contact this person and you can tell her that you can pay her once you get the work done, okay? And Fiverr works in that way. You're only gonna pay for the work when you are actually satisfied. And you are satisfied when you get these $250 from ACX, right? That's when you're satisfied, not before. So then what are you gonna do is you are gonna go and audition for these products. You can search for books. I'm just going to show you. You can search through all of these books which need to be covered, okay? So I don't know, maybe this one, 10-minute chair exercises for seniors. Well, you can see that project budget is $50 to $100 per finished hour. So what do you have to do? Well, you have to contact the person who's going to do it for less money, right? This is a business, guys. This is how it works. Go and search on the Fiverr who's going to do that for less than $50, and the rest is your profit, okay? You are the middleman in this situation. If you want to get yourself involved with this, it is a nice option. It is a nice place that you can involve yourself, and the profit can be really good, okay? Really good money. But if you don't want to work with the people, you can do this. You can do the next thing. You can go on google.com and you can just type in TTS Reader, and you can just click on TTS Reader. And this is free text-to-speech reader, and you can make like some audio samples based on this one. You'll get somewhat robotic voice, but it doesn't matter. Someone is gonna choose that for their book. Now, this is going to be for free, of course, and you just copy that book into this box, and then you just click on play, and that's it. You download that, and then you go over to ACX and you give them that. You finish the recording, and of course, you get paid. And what next? Well, you come back for more. But the first strategy, which involves real people, that's the one I suggest, okay? That's gonna be way easier when you think about it. You will not have to think about anything at all. These people are gonna do the hard work for you, and you are just the middleman, okay? You are the middleman between ACX and these voiceover artists, okay? So they will do the work. You will just get the profit. You pay them, I don't know, $50, but you get $100 from ACX, and that's how it works, okay? That's how easy it is, guys. There's a lot of money in this strategy, so I highly suggest to you that you start up with this, okay? And Amazon is gonna sell those books. You don't have nothing to worry about. Amazon has a lot of these titles, as you can see, a lot of books to cover. Just take a look at this. They're showing 12 of these books titles per page, and they have almost 200 pages of these books. So never. The work on this website stops never. You can always come back to it, and if you know English language to speak it, you can just go and apply for ACX yourself. That's maybe the best choice. Just go out there, guys, take that action and get the money. I'll catch you.